A smile to me means that you're secure with yourself and you're confident enough to showcase that to the entire world. My name is Shana Nangia and I'm getting my teeth whitened today. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal, but I live in LA. My teeth are definitely an insecurity, or at least something that I'm conscious about. When I post a picture on social media, I tend to smile with my mouth closed so that they don't get shown to the world. And when I do smile with my teeth, I make sure to use a little app to make them brighter. For as long as I can remember, my teeth have had a slight yellow tint to them. But recently, they've been a little bit more stained, probably because of the really bad caffeine addiction that I have. So I'm really excited to get my teeth whitened. I feel like I'll definitely be more confident once my teeth are whitened because I feel like I'll be able to smile more and I won't have to rely on any apps to make me feel better.
I'm Dr. Erin Cohen.
And I'm Dr. Monica Madan. And we are the founders of Beverly Hills Orthodontics. I was born and raised in Los Angeles, went to the University of Washington for my orthodontic training. I came back here to Los Angeles and within a year met Erin.
I grew up in a very small town in southwestern Pennsylvania, and I moved to New York City. I stumbled into Columbia University for dental school. We have a very well-rounded practice. Our main service is Invisalign and Invisalign Teen. We also offer teeth whitening. A lot of patients love to teeth whiten. Come on in, I'm Dr. Cohen. Hi, have a seat. When I first met Shrena when she walked in, I saw a lot of promise in her smile. They could have tolerated to be slightly whiter.
I'm a little bit nervous about having my mouth exposed for an hour. I do have that little spot up front where it's chipped, so that could be a little bit sensitive.
So now we're going to start your bleach procedure. We're going to use Zoom, which is an in-office procedure, and it's going to be an hour long. It's about 3 sessions of 15 minutes each, and you're going to be about 8 to 10 shades whiter than you are now.
We use the cheek retractors that will protect the patient's tongue and lips from also getting bleached, and protective eyewear.
The active ingredient in the whitening gel is hydrogen peroxide for the Zoom bleaching, and there's also a amorphous calcium phosphate in there that really helps remineralize and reduce sensitivity. And then there's a light that activates it. Teeth whitening does not damage tooth enamel because it's able to bleach deeply into the tooth without taking away any of the structure. Within 3 15-minute sessions, you've gone 8 to 10 shades lighter.
Oh my gosh, they look so good. I absolutely loved it. It was so much easier and quicker than I thought it was gonna be. My favorite part about the procedure was definitely the results. As soon as I looked in the mirror, it was kind of unbelievable. I expected it to be bright and fake looking, but the natural results really wowed me. I felt so much more confident. My least favorite part would definitely have to be the slight sensitivity. I don't feel the need to use a teeth whitening app anymore because my teeth look bright and natural.
Shrena was a really great example of a great result for an average person. She went to one of our brightest shades, and that really was within the 45 minutes. Right after the procedure, you want to make sure that you don't drink anything that can stain, like coffee, red wine, tea, berries, those sorts of things, for about 24 hours.
So the aftercare process after you've had in-office bleaching is really to judge when you feel you need a touch-up. If you notice that your smile is dulling, you can come back and get another in-office treatment. But most commonly, patients will take home a set of overnight or daytime bleaching trays, and we can provide them with the gel solution.
I won't be smizing in any of my pictures on social media anymore. You'll definitely be seeing a nice big smile. Thank you so much for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.